There's one in every group, in every organisation, in every team, in every family. That person who drains the lifeblood out of conversations. Someone who can always find the negative no matter how great things are going. And if you get cornered by them and you're talking to them, you lose the will to continue standing. There's one in every group. Who is it in yours? Oh, and if you can't think of someone, it might be you. These draining people, the idea isn't to get rid of them in our lives, but to limit the time you spend with them and to enhance the amount of time you spend with people who buy into you, who pour into you, who make you feel stronger. When it comes to friends, family, team, we don't always have a choice about who we have around us, but we do have a choice about who we invest in. That's why in the Human First Academy, there are people who are fighting for the highest good of themselves and each other. There's no judging. We swap judgment for curiosity. There's no shilly-shallying around criticising. Ain't nobody got time for that. What we do is stand for each other and support and challenge each other so that we can all become the human we're designed to be. And not the human that the world says we have to be, because again, ain't nobody got time for that. So come and join me in the Human First Academy and find your potential, unlock it, and finally start living life on your terms. Human being, not human doing. You know you want it.